Meaning of flak.
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 Flak. Flak is a term used to describe intense criticism or opposition. It can refer to negative comments or actions directed towards someone or something, often with the intent of damaging their reputation or causing harm. Flak can come from individuals or groups, and it can be related to various issues such as politics, business, and personal relationships. When someone is facing flak, they may feel attacked or under pressure to defend themselves. Thus, it can be a challenging experience that requires resilience and effective communication skills to overcome.